want to go at this point, Marielou, if you can help me out just a little bit. I've seen you share this on your show, your setup. So, of course, you're doing Instagram Reels, you're doing TikTok Reels, you're using your phone, you're airdropping backwards and forwards to actually produce it. How does your behind the scenes look? Let's start with your audio.
All right. So for audio, when I'm at the desk, I am using the blue Yeti. I could put this on camera. Sometimes I have it on camera. Sometimes I don't. But when I'm doing the TikTok and Reels, it's typically just recorded off the audio from my phone, unless I'm recording through Ecamm, which I can show you guys how I do TikToks and Reels through Ecamm. It's actually very easy as long as you have the tripod to turn your phone sideways or your camera sideways. So if I have there's another show that I do on Amazon Live, and that's when I do with my partner, Will. We use the Rode Wireless Go 2 lav microphones, because he goes back and forth from the drum set, and I'm typically stationary, but I only have like...
Hold on, Marielou. Am I missing a show? You guys are on together?
Oh,
and
yeah.
Y'all are y'all improving together?
Oh, it's a mess.
And it's on Amazon Live?
Yes.
Okay, I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'll get it to you.
But yeah, I gotta get on it. Like I want to see it. I'm sure it's great.
Oh, we have a good time. So that one's called Everyday Easy. So so I have like a few different shows, right? So this one here, this is the stuff that I usually do on YouTube. The tutorials will be here. So I can jump between my main camera, which is a M50 Mark II Canon with a Sigma 16 millimeter. And then I will jump to an overhead shot. This is where I will have my phone, and I can do the tutorials, and I can jump back and forth really quick. And of course, using Ecamm, it's like super easy to jump back and forth and make those different layers, like you can put the two videos together and all of that. And then to show you what it looks like, we'll jump to my phone. I've got my phone hooked up to Camo, and then we can come around here. So I've got a light over here. And I know this looks like it's like a beautiful empty studio, but it's an office.
That's awesome.
And here's the setup. So this laptop is a 2020 MacBook hooked up to a CalDigit T3. I think that's what it's called. And then the two cameras. This one is on a CamLink, but this one is just USB. This is a 80D. This was my old production camera that I would use when I would go shoot behind the scenes for events. I would do sizzle reels for events. And it's that same kind of thing where you want to get something that looks professional, even though if the client wasn't there, I did it on my phone.
Gotcha.
And we got a little Stream Deck over there. This is my Logitech party over here. This is for the big computer. And then I jump between the two of them. And then sometimes if I need to, I can put, I have a teleprompter that I can put on here. Okay. So if I need to really be specific about what I'm saying, and I need to hit the talking points exactly, then I can put it on the teleprompter. But for the most part, I don't do that.
What type of lights are you using there? I see you have a ring light with the other two LED
so
lights.
Many. Okay, let's see. Oh, we lost our camo. Okay, she's coming back. So this is a Neewer light on a desk mount. This one is also on a desk mount, and what is she called? The 288A. Neewer 288A. They're super thin, super not hot. I really love them so very much. And then if I'm feeling real saucy, I have a little light that I sometimes put on my face, but we didn't need it today.
Got you.
That's and then the microphone is on an arm because I do edit here. I sit here, this is my working desk too.
Right.
So this is on an arm so it can go away when I don't need it.
That's awesome. Brent, you got any questions about that setup?
I know she's got some great stuff there. I love the Logitech keyboard. I have the same keyboard. I love that.
It's so Mac, good
keyboard. I got it for my iPad.
Listen, that great. Thing, it was so good. It got two claps. I get it.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yes. So the thing about this, can I just geek about this a little bit?
Yeah.
So it has these buttons here that let you connect it to a couple devices.
Right.
So when we were doing Leap into Live presentations last summer. I actually hooked up, like I have the computer one is like my computer where I can watch everything. So I'm watching the live stream on one computer, so it's not taking up any information from the live streaming computer. And then the second one is connected to like the second computer. So if I need to type something in there, I need to make an adjustment, I can do that. And then the third one was connected to my phone, which is sitting in the camera as a teleprompter. And I can press the space bar to like make it go forward, make it go backwards. Like, it's like amazing. And like, it's like a Stream Deck ish kind of thing, but like Stream Deck, you're switching between cameras, and the keyboard, you're switching between computers. Like, is awesome.
I really
so
like
that.
Go ahead.
That
Brent.
one tool is one tool is make her that much more productive, because it is hard. If you see my head down when Strick is talking, I'm trying to communicate chat with everybody in the other channels. So there's a lot of stuff you have to do when you're streaming live, and something just like that keyboard can really help that, right? And then just being thoughtful about your work environment. You know, most of us are, I'm lucky. This is a shed behind my house, the stream shed. It's just for this, so I don't have to adjust anything. But if, like Marielou, she's working during the day at the same desk, so she can mobile and move things, you know, and do a show, do your Zoom calls, do all that kind of good stuff, and still get work done. So, you know, a lot of thought has to go into where you're producing and what you're doing. And, you know, that's what technology should do. You shouldn't get these microphones and cameras just because, you know, someone else has it. You should get them because they fit in your workflow and makes it easier for you.